How to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then scroll down and tap on Touch. Next, at the top here, tap on Assistive Touch, then tap on Assistive Touch toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now here it says Assistive Touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So there it is. If we switch it off, then it will go away. If you turn it on, it will show a small circle. You can move it around the screen, and when you tap on it, it will open up the menu. And once you turn on Assistive Touch, you'll be able to customize it with the top level menu. You can set a custom actions so that when you tap on the button once, it will open up the menu or it will perform certain functions. Here you can also set double tap, so when you double tap on it, it will do something. So here I can set on it, so when I double tap, it will show analytics. So it is gathering analytics, or I can ask it to open up a camera. I can choose camera control. So if I tap on it, it will simulate the camera control button. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.